Hi there, Scott Barker. I just wanted to reach out to you today to give you a real estate market update for the Denver metro area for the month of October. Before we dive into the numbers too much, I just felt like I'd give you a quick summary of what we're seeing in the market, what we're experiencing, and what our clients are experiencing. So in September, we were out with a lot of clients looking at homes, but we also put on the market several homes as well. And kind of seeing it from both sides, what we're experiencing is depending on the price point that you're looking at and the geography of it, homes are still selling very quickly. For the most part, as long as it's priced right, marketed right, and in pretty good condition for the price that's listed at, it should sell within that first weekend. But what we are seeing as we're going out with buyers is that some homes aren't selling in that first weekend. In fact, they may be on the market for a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks or a month. We are seeing a decent number of price reductions. To some degree, we see this around this time of the year. Over the last couple of years especially, where we get into September, October, November, and homes that were, I would say, overpriced or mismarketed have been on the market for a little while longer, and so they start experiencing price reductions to try to chase the market a little bit. So and actually try to find the market. So we are seeing that a little bit, especially as we're out with buyers. We've been able to help a lot of clients that are moving up or moving down have a home to sell. The offers that we write in many cases for those buyers are contingent, and also working with buyers that don't have the best financing terms, such as like a VA loan or FHA, down payment assistance. But we are finding success working with those folks, getting them homes. Whereas if they were out looking for a home in March or April or May, it may not have actually happened for them. So some good news for buyers in general. So for the month of October, we had about 7,600 homes on the market. That is just a little higher than our all-time high or all-time low that we set last year, which was 7,516. So about 80 homes on the market, more than last year, but otherwise we're still right there at that all-time low area. Average sales price was about $397,000. Median sold price was about $348,000. Both of those are up by about 12 to 13% since last September, so over the last year. Average days on market's about 32 days. Last year this time was 29 days. The year before that was 37 days. So we're still in that same zone as far as how quickly homes are selling. Let's see here. I would say if you looked at the price breakdown, as far as how many out of that 7,600 homes, what price range in general are we looking at? The biggest price range where you're finding those homes is really between 200 and 750. Now I know that seems like a really big number. If we break it down even further, that 300 to 400 range makes up about 1,500 of the 7,500 homes. So if you're out there looking for a home and you're in that $300,000 to $400,000 price range, that's in that price range. That's where we're seeing the biggest proportion of homes in general. But also between 400 and 500,000, and then 500 and 750, there's also a significant portion of homes in that price range too. So if you have more questions about that, I'd be happy to run some neighborhood or area specific numbers for you, because that really changes quite a bit. a $400,000 house in some parts of the city is a larger home, whereas in other areas it may be, a fairly small home. So we'd love to give you any information that I can on all of that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to reach out through social media, email, phone number, my Facebook page, LinkedIn page, Instagram, anything. I'm all over the place, but definitely feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot and have a great day.